we're going to Georgi apartment. Georgi already live in another place.
Yes.
When you move? Today?
Today.
Only today. Today Georgi moved to new place. Okay, he will show to us where now he live. He first day only. This is your car, Georgi? Black or white? White. And your motor, okay. Good. I take for Georgi something. Water heater. And he bought water also. So many water he bought. In pure gold. 40 liters, Georgi. Inside have sensor CO2. This is water heater. Okay, I will take this one. Georgi, you take this back. I will take this. Oh, good. It's good, you can clean clothes here. CCTV camera have. Oh, it's bigger. Bigger than before. Butter put in refrigerator. Table. It's new air con. He will change air con because he have new air con. And dirty air con old he will remove. Of course it's dirty. He will use new. Oh, good. So this room is better, more better than before. Bigger. Cabinet have. Light. Exhaust fan don't have. Heater have, but don't have fan. Okay. Where refrigerator, Georgi? It's so small refrigerator. It's good small refrigerator. Easy to move. What is this? Held to you, this one? Empty already? Not. And small? Same?
No.
It's for nose.
Yes.
Okay. How about internet now? Here. Speed is good?
More or less. Wi-Fi.
Okay. I think enough for you. Enough for you. Fan working?
Yes.
But first you need to clean, Georgi. Better you clean.
Already. clean.
I already clean, so can use. Oh, noisy, noisy. I bought in Lazada, so silent. If 4, number 4. I will say number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. I think number 1 is number 4. Ah, it's good, good. But you don't know who lives near you? Don't know. Okay, tomorrow you will know. Because he smoked maybe here. It's good place. Okay, Georgi. Good night. I will go to home because Shaira waited. Maybe we go to eat. Yes, you can check. You see, need too long time need. Yes. Usually in my home 01. Yes, it's good. Oh, so 72. So wet. Need to use aircon. Okay, Georgi, see you. See you maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. Thank you for watching, everyone. I go to home because Shaira waiting me. Shaira already cooked and we will eat in home now. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe. Who don't like, unsubscribe. It's better. Who don't like, better. Not post bad comment, better unsubscribe. For me not important how many subscribers. For me important good people only subscriber, good subscriber. Yes, Georgi? I said better good subscriber than not good.